Take your career to the next level. Introducing QuickHire Grow, our career development portal. QuickHire Grow can help you reach all of your goals with our 3 C's approach: community, competency, and career tools. Ready for that promotion? QuickHire Grow will help you let your employer know you are ready to level up. Finding a job is never easy. QuickHire Grow is here to make it as simple as ever. We will curate better search results for whatever job you are looking for. You can get started with QuickHire Grow in just a few easy steps. First, let us know what job you have and where you want to be. You can then choose whether or not you want to share this info with your employer. As soon as we have that information, you will see your personalized career results. We then give you a career health score. This score shows you a quick peek at your career health and where we feel you need to improve. As you complete each element, your score will go up. Make sure to check out your custom resources as well. Keep working on each element and watch your career health skyrocket. As they say, it's not just about what you know, it's about who you know. Connect with others on QuickHire who can help you get to the next level. Our customer support team is available to answer any questions. Just hit the chat button or email us at support@getquickhire.com. Thanks for watching.